What's good, Romies? What is up with you guys today? Yes, you're seeing this crazy thing. If you didn't know about it, well, let me tell you about it. So let's get it. That's right. If you weren't aware, I put a video up on me installing a roof on this scooter. The video, I didn't really talk much in that video, practically at all, to be honest. But I installed this, and I got quite a few comments on this thing. Up and down comments, mainly down. What can I say? Here's the thing. A while back, I found myself getting caught in the rain. And I'm like, serious rain. Like, the sun looked as beautiful as it does today. Sky shot like this, right? Went to the grocery store. By the time I got out, it couldn't have been more than like 20 minutes. You would thought it was like 7 o'clock at night. Mind you, it was like 10 o'clock in the morning, but you would have thought it was like 7, 8 o'clock at night because it was dark. And I was like, let me be able to make it home. But I wasn't going straight home. I need to go stop by like a little restaurant, give me something to eat, then go home. But on the way to that restaurant, which was really across the street from that grocery store, it started to rain. I was like, please just drizzle. I'll be okay. Nope. That thing, pop, 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 pop. Rain was falling hard. And I've never been so soaked before in my life just on rain. Because I never really ride when it's raining. Today I had no choice. Look at the other camera. Can you guys see me through here? Through that camera? Another, like, for instance, one person asked me, like, let's climb up in here. Like, is the view obscured? That's one of the comments they asked me. I don't remember who it was. It was like, is the view obscured? What do you guys think? Does the view look obscured? You guys like, it's kind of blurry. We don't like it. And another person was, well, no, not another. A lot of you guys were like, yo, one gust of wind and you about to go flying, son. And I'm like, you right. Because when it rides, I'm going to go riding for you guys. When it rides, when you feel that wind, it's like, oh, okay. The wind is moving me around. I don't plan to have it on long. It was mainly just, try it out. This thing costs, I said it in the video, I paid like $30 for it. But here's the thing. If I come around here, I'm bad at tilting cameras and stuff. You see this, there's a zipper right here. This side zipper. It goes all the way around right here. You know what that's for? You can you see this plastic right here? It's like a shower curtain version. You can put on the side. And you can have it zip, and you'll step through it like a shower. Like you could be fully covered, fully protected from the rain for both sides. But to get that would have cost an extra like $40. And I'm like, a $70 thing turns $70 just to have side curtains? I'm good. I'm like, if it's raining that heavy where rain is coming at me through the side, son, I don't need to be driving like that in the rain. Let's go and step in here. But yeah, I say this thing is good for light rain and low winds. Here's the thing. You guys was talking about how, let me turn around so you guys can see the back, or you guys saw the back from the back camera. This side is open right here to release some of that wind resistance, so it don't just completely make me fly away like E.T. And also, this is supposed to be, so also you open this up, and it also reduces wind tension. So, if I do that, it makes it harder for you guys to see through, huh? Either way, rooftop view, all that. Yeah, give you guys a little closer look. A few days ago, when I filmed that video, which I'll link it above and below. When I filmed that video, it was all like, when I was driving around, I was using one hand to drive. I didn't have the GoPro on my chest like normal. So it was kind of difficult for me to drive around with it. The color, I am not a fan of the color. A lot of you guys, mainly I think there were like 3 or 4 people who, I guess you guys all think alike. It was like, if they had the color in black and silver, it was like, did you guys all come together and say the color black and silver? I'm with you. I would have rather black and silver. You thought they would have chose neutral colors, but they didn't. And I was also deciding, because the main reason why I wear a helmet, of course, health, safety, protect my brain, protect my noggin. But the second reason is because visor, that wind be hitting you in your eyes and you can't see at all. But I had a half of mine. I was like, maybe I'll try it without wearing the helmet since I got all this wind protectant. But nah, I'm good. So the place I'm going right now, I'm actually going to the auto parts store, because when I installed these, you see my window, this thing is like, once you tighten it, if you ever undo it, you need to tighten it back, because it unwinds fine, but then as soon as you need it tightened back, it's just loose. And now both of them like that. So I'm going to the auto parts store, get me a wrench. I used to have, if you didn't know, or if you knew my channel, I used to have, always do that, man. I always leave the side stand. One day I'm gonna just break the whole thing completely off. I always leave the side stand down. You can't help but see me, man. You see me. But feel that wind resistance, son. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn off, I'm gonna open this up. Where's the zipper? I don't know, because I feel that wind. Woo! Open sesame. Oh, okay, close my visor, because that wind hit me right in the face. All right, that's better. Oh, it might not be better for you guys. You probably just like, I can't see. Shauna, you gotta do something with this. Girl, this ain't gonna work. You need to take that off. Well, give me a second. I might want to shoot 1 or 2 vlogs with it on. Does it look darker in here since we got this shade? That sun ain't on me. I noticed the sun ain't on me. However, that wind ain't on me either. And you know, on a hot day, the wind is what saves you. They should have did like some kind of beam to like, stick that behind the GoPro. Oh, that's how it works. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to the auto parts store because if you didn't know, I said this already. I used to have my, well, nobody knows this. I used to have my own little toolbox. Beautiful little, girly version. You know, I didn't have everything that the average guy would have in their toolbox. But you know, I did mine. I had a nice size toolbox. Everything I needed to do work around the house, to do work on my scooter. I never do work on my car because I ain't that good. Huh. What's this back here? Ooh, that's a giant little dip. Okay. But yeah. But then I lost my toolkit in what do you call that? Hurricane Harvey. Hurricane Harvey was this giant giant storm that just swept Houston away, like completely drowned out Houston. Now, I know what you're thinking. Tools, Shauna. Tools. You can't get water damage for tools. No, you can't. Here's the thing about people and not being able to trust people. So they had this organization who took in volunteers to go to people's house and gut out the walls, you know, to get rid of all the mold damage and all that stuff, right? Well, I guess they figured, okay, if we go into a person's house, rip out all the moldy furniture and rip out all the walls and stuff for them, whatever in there that's interesting, it's for keeps. Yeah. So they went in there, gutted out the house. Now, mind you, I was supposed to be coming back like a day or two later to get all my stuff. I mean, some of the parts of the city you still couldn't get back to the house. Well, I finally was able to get there. I was brought me a truck, ready to get my stuff. And I was able to get my personal stuff that I find valuable to me. But then also there were things that other people will find valuable to themselves, such as my toolbox. And I guess they decided, ooh, this is a nice toolbox. We're going to keep this for ourselves. So yeah, you can't trust people, including volunteers. Volunteers are supposed to be the good guys. You're using your own time to go help out people in need. But I guess you was like, I'm in need of that toolbox, son. I don't know what you said, bruh. But AutoZone, that's where I'm heading. Instead of, ooh, y'all can't see me. I'm sorry. One more vlog after this. Okay, I gotta turn right here. One more vlog with this cover on my head, and then I'm taking it off. But yeah, that's why I'm coming to AutoZone to buy me a wrench so I can tighten my thingamabobs. So I'll come back and talk to you guys for a little more. Maybe this will be a long vlog today. So, ooh, this ground is slippery. I can't hold my balance. Nope, I'm slipping. Okay, let me put this down right here. Okay, good. Okay, so I'm gonna go into the AutoZone store, look at some wrenches, and then come back to you guys. So until then, can I get a little pause time? Play. Yeah, I'm back from outer space. Dun 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 dun. Oh. Okay, it just went and got me an adjustable wrench. Okay, let's see. Is that good? That's good. Dun 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 dun. I should have changed that stupid lock. Should have. Oh, it's the top one I need to tighten. My bad. Dun 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 dun. Lay down and die. Don't go. Walk out the door. Is that good? Yeah, that's good. Dun dun dun. Mm-hmm. Before, every time they went loose, I just went to somebody's house, borrowed their wrench, and I'm being cheap and saving money. But now I'm like, I have to adjust these too often. Let me go ahead and just spend that $10, buy me a wrench. Because I have wrenches, but it's the socket wrenches. Wait. Yeah. Okay. This is the first time I've ever had to adjust this mirror or tighten this mirror. And I have my GoPro like tied to it. So, okay. Right there. That's good right there, Shauna. Yep. That's good. Ooh, it smells like cigarettes around here. I'm not a fan of that smell. Okay, I'm gonna work on the right one when I get home. I'm getting hot sitting in, even though I'm under this cover. I'm getting hot with all these layers on. But the the left one is done, so woohoo! Up. I hear your complaints, guys. You don't like the view, you don't like the style. Y'all gonna let me do me. Okay. Where should I go? I just want to ramble for a little bit. Yep, but just go play in this parking lot, I guess. Ooh. Okay. I see a parking lot. I'm gonna go play. Okay, empty parking lot. Okay, if I stand up, because I can't tell what you guys see versus what I see. If I stand up, what do you see? And this camera, on this camera right here, I probably look dark. Like the whole area looks dark because I'm not getting any sun. Right? Am I right? Okay, let's park this bike. So, as I was saying before, when you open this up, supposed to decrease wind resistance, and this hole back here is supposed to also help decrease wind resistance. Probably when I'm driving, it's probably like, but it don't seem like it's like that, so maybe it's not. Should I just end this video here? I'm getting kind of hot. Look, people staring. You see the guy in the orange shirt? Wave. Who did that? Smile and wave, boys. Smile and wave. The penguins off Madagascar. That's who did that. Yep. you know what? There was a lady who also drove by and she kind of stopped. I thought maybe she was looking at me because I was in the parking lot. Like, what's she doing in the parking lot kind of thing. I was like, this ain't your parking lot. But now I'm realizing, oh, people stare. Another person, what's his name? Paul, recent commenter. He was all like, I was hoping you would drive around to see people stare. Well, apparently people stare. Let's see if they slow down. So, no slow. They looking though. Look, they slowing down a little bit. You see, I forgot because when I'm on the ride, I can't see what's going on the outside. I guarantee you people are like, what in the world? Because I got a few stares here and there when I was on the scooter. But that definitely is going to turn some heads. Because that stands out for real. What? Like, in that video, man, I was like, what's with the green, highlighter green border? I don't know. Maybe, here's the thing. Scooters are like, in other countries are like super popular. And when I say super popular, I mean like main mode of transportation. Like in America, cars. Motorcycles, scooter. That's how it is. Other countries, say for, I don't know if this is a guaranteed fact, but like India, scooters, cars. Motorcycle. So, yeah. So I know if main transportation in other countries are scooters, and if it rains a lot, of course they riding around with some of these like this. Here's the thing about this. I wish this was easier to take off. Like it didn't require you to unscrew anything to take off, because I would have to undo my windows again. Luckily, it's just the mirrors, not windows. Undo my mirrors again. Unscrew them to take it off. But luckily, it's not a whole bunch of gotta go into the panels and do this. Otherwise, this thing will stay on until I'm ready to take it off. I might do one more vlog with it on. Then again, you guys might go in on me in the comment section like, girl, don't expect me to watch that video if you gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it. I did it the first time because I'm a roamie. I was being nice, but can't do it. Fine then, be that way. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end it here. Cause it's hot, man. Alright then, I'll see you guys later. I'll catch you guys on the flip. Let me bring that camera down some more, cause I'll be seeing it as you guys see it. How does the view look? Okay, see you guys on the flip side. Bye. Shauna and Ramen is out. Deuces. I think the next video I'm gonna do, don't hold me to it, but you see this right here, emergency kickstand. I think I'm gonna do a tutorial for you guys on how to start your scooter emergency kickstand style. Emergency start, not kickstand. Alright then, see you guys later. Deuces. I'm out.